Well, everybody, happy July 25th, Saturday. I'm actually not filming this on Saturday, but, you know, that's when you're going to get it. So I hope everybody's healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa. And we are doing a hashtag Christmas in Summer. And it's hosted by Dawn H Creates, and if you look in the description box below, you'll find all the collaborators that are doing this. Everyone is very talented, come up with great ideas. The first one, we're having 4 installments. We had the first one on July 11th, but if you type in on the search bar in YouTube, hashtag Christmas in Summer, you will find all of them, okay? So you need to do that because lots of great ideas for you guys for Christmas gifts, for Christmas cards, Christmas decorations, home decor, that kind of stuff. Lots for you to look at. So please check everybody out. This installment, this is the second of 4, is all about dies and punches. So the first thing I have done is I have made basically, to me, cabinet cards. 7.5 across by 4.5 down. Now, the rest of the installments are going to be working on these. So the first one is die cuts. Now, I had some store-bought die cuts that I used on this one, but then you'll see down below where I have used die cuts from my house, from, you know, my stash, and punches, and how I've incorporated them in to make my own ephemera stuff, you know. I mean, you know, you see a pretty page with all these different things on it. Well, I will have a tutorial on how I did some of these on my Facebook group. So if you want to, I'll have the link on that below as well. So if you want to join, come on over. We'd love to have you. We have lots of fun. We're just finishing up a swap. And but I'll have another one. I love doing swaps, getting fun things in the mail. But anyway, there's all the informational stuff. So now, this was a paper napkin, and this is lightweight chipboard, and that's what I did, the 7.5 by 4.5. And let's see, do I have my, where are you? Oh, for heaven's sakes. Well, I thought it was prepared. Well, I had a 4x6 sheet of paper to show you, but here's a picture right here. So I've left this open so I can put my picture here. I can put it up here. I can still get a little tag in here. So I just think they're going to be super cool. And of course, you have the back. You can do your journaling. You can put another picture on here, whatever you want to do. Here's my next one. This again, base was a napkin. And then this was something that I cut out of a Webster dictionary page, Webster's, yeah, the Webster's, what is that? I can't remember, but it's Webster something. And this is a die cut with the season's greetings on it. And then this is a poinsettia die cut that I have. And then I just used a lot of pearls. It just screamed pearls to me. But again, you can fit your picture right up in there. And how cute is that going to be to have your picture among all of this gorgeousness? And of course, you have the back to do whatever you want to do with it. You can decorate, and on a few of these, I have decorated the back. If I have enough time, I will continue to decorate these. I have where my picture can go right in here, and what a beautiful frame that is for a really beautiful, my most favorite Christmas pictures are going to go into here. From my kids getting up when they were young and first seeing the tree to today. I'm just going to take my most favorite ones and put into this. And at Next week, next 2 weeks, August 8th, is using your stamps, which I will be adding to these. And I will have more of these ready with my stamps. So there'll be more on it. Like, you know, there will be something on here, that kind of thing. So, and this is just some of that Bling on a rope stuff. These are all dies. And this is a die. This is yeah, that's a die. And then there's the back. And I love how it hangs up the top. Okay, this here is wrapping paper, and these are some cutouts that I did off that same Webster page dealio. This is a stamp, and some glitter paper, and the sides are not glued down until I finish what I'm doing. And I can get my picture in there. You can put a couple. I might even put a picture mat in there where I can put, you know, both sides. And then you've got the back. And there's a little bit of the tree hanging over the top. Okay, so the next one. This is a punch from Martha Stewart. You can see a little snowflakes. And you can put your picture up underneath all of this. So you can have it like that. Or you can also put it up underneath the stockings. However you want to do that is yours to figure out. This one I actually did decorate the sides. And I got some nice little bling on there. So I can put another picture. I can do a lot of journaling. You know, pull the picture out, read my story on the pictures that I choose to put in here. Love this. I just love this. The 4th installment, if you want to make these, make them my exact size. And the 4th installment is going to, you're going to see what I'm going to finish, what I'm going to actually do with these. You know, because I mean, just having a bunch of cards laying around is kind of weird. It's not really a mini album. It's something different, but it's to house these in. So if you want to do these with me, make as many as you want. I think I probably will have about 25 of them when I'm all done. So here is, let's find my picture. This is all opened. This pocket is opened, including on the sides, so I can get my picture in there. This was just a white napkin that I put down. This was off that same Webster page. This is a die cut I own. There's that same Martha Stewart punch. And then just, you know, putting pieces of paper together. And then the back on this one. This is a Stampin' Up, old Stampin' Up Christmas paper. Trying to get through all that stuff too. Probably one of my favorites. I just love this one. And so this is out of a book that I did a bunch of cut aparts. You know, I went in and just cut all the pictures out, which I don't use when I'm selling something, but this is for me, for in my house. So I get to use this stuff. And I took an ink pen because I wanted Santa Claus to really stand out. He wasn't, because it was a copy of a picture. So I took my black marker and I outlined all of Santa Claus, all his little presents. I filled in, this was a very, very, very light pink, and I filled it in a little bit more, you know, to make it really stand out. You're not going to be able to see it, I don't believe, but I've got Wink of Stella on his beard and on all the lace. And again, I'm not done with these. This is a Tim Holtz card just folded in half with a little brad. There's some more of that bling on a roll, a little Merry Christmas sticker, and some washi tape. And so this one doesn't really have a die cut other than a circle die. You know, it's still the die cut. but you can put your picture in here. You can put several pictures in here. There's quite a bit of room. Quite a bit of room here. So, all right, there's that one. And then this one I absolutely love, and we'll probably make a few more with some danglies. And there's Old Saint Nick. Now this I think was from Hobby Lobby. I got it last year at the end of Christmas. And yeah, Hobby Lobby. 2018 Hobby Lobby, so maybe a couple years ago. But isn't he cute? I just love him. And then I've got, this is Martha Stewart Punch, the little fern or whatever. I'm not exactly sure what the name of it was. I think this is just a Walmart dangle. It's a tree. This is a punch from my stash. These are punches from my stash. This is a punch from my stash. So, yeah. Isn't he cute? And the picture slides right in. So, I just can't get over how adorable these are turning out. I certainly hope... Oh, and I didn't show you the back of this one. This is the Santa Claus one. And I put more pearls across the top of that Tim Holtz card. And then this was just a piece of paper from the Graphic 45 Place and Time. This is another one of those... Ho 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 is another one of those Webster pages. And then this is also from that Graphic 45 set. And I just made a little tuck spot for the Ho Ho Ho. Okay, guys, so that is it. And again, if you think you might be interested in having something like this, you could do the 25 days. You could do your, this could be a December daily. An absolutely perfect December daily. You could put different things across the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you wanted to do with these. So I hope you guys will join me. I hope you look forward to the next installment where you're going to see these with even more stuff and tags and picture mats and all kinds of stuff. Oh my. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Don't forget to check everybody else out. There's like 30 of us, so you will find something that you will enjoy doing. Hashtag Christmas in summer, no spaces. Okay, so until next time, August 8th, we will do a next installment. I hope you all have a fantastic year so far, and that it's still going to be good, and everybody's healthy and happy, and that all you crafters out there are finding some time to get in your craft room. All right, I love you all so much. Leave me a comment, see what you think. Let me know what you think. Give me some thumbs up. And if you aren't already a subscriber to my channel, I would be honored if you would subscribe and hit that little bell so that you'll see notifications when my next thing is up. And don't forget, go and join my Facebook group, Lisa's Paper, Lace, and Bling. The link will be below. And you'll be able to see a little tutorial on how easy, I mean easy, these are to put together. Okay? Love y'all. Happy Christmas and summer. Bye.